Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a toilet seat.
So today I'm going to show you how to put new bolts on a toilet lid seat. I bought this new toilet seat and they gave me what they call a quick connect or easy install
Before removing anything,
bolts. But I just find that they're not very good. So I'm going to show you how to take them off and replace them with new ones.
Or a quick release hinge system. Start by confirming that the new seat fits your toilet.
So you just lift up these caps snap down and you just pop them up.
The seat must match.
Maybe a little hard to come out, so
also check the distance between the two mounting holes and measure from the center of those holes to the front of the bowl. A seat that is the wrong side may overhang, sit too far back, or fail to align with the mounting holes. Do not try to solve a compatibility problem by forcing the bolts into position. To remove the old seat, begin by opening the plastic hinge covers at the back. These covers normally snap upward, although they may be tight if they have not been opened for a long time. Under each cover, you should see a screw or bolt head. On a standard bottom fix installation, there will also be a plastic or metal nut underneath the toilet bowl. Hold the nut from below while turning the bolt counterclockwise from above with a screwdriver. Some plastic nuts can be removed by hand, while others may require adjustable pliers. If the hardware is dirty or corroded, work slowly. Avoid hitting the toilet or applying sideways pressure to the floor. Once both fasteners have been removed, lift the old seat away from the bowl.
Replace it with
the area
these
around
plastic
the
ones
before
and
installing the new seat. Dirt and residue trap
these are like an old standby. They've been working for years, so
and may cause the seat to move
let's
later.
put
Now
it in
examine
here.
the
You
hardware
take it,
supplied
drop
with
it.
the new seat. Some seats
The hole
include
is
quick connect
plastic
fasteners
caps, so it's
that
supposed to
slide
make
or
things
push onto
easier.
the bolt.
I'm gonna
Others
take
use
that out
traditional plastic bolts with
and
threaded
drop it
nuts.
in here.
Top fix seats may use rubber expansion
Doesn't really
plugs
work, so.
or anchors inserted from above. Always follow the instructions supplied with the seat, because the order and orientation of the washers, plugs and nuts can vary.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this for a second,
not grip correctly,
and I'm going to just drill and enlarge these holes
a
so that
compatible
my
traditional
bolt will fit
nylon
through
bolt and nut kit can
through
sometimes be used
these
instead,
plastic things.
but
So
only
just
when
give
the
me a minute, I'll
replacement
be right
bolts
back.
fit the hinge openings and
Sorry
are
about
approved
that.
for that type of seat.
I
Do
could
not
have
drill
refilmed
or
this and
enlarge
showed
the
you
ceramic mounting hole
how
in the
everything
toilet.
goes together really easy,
Vitreous
but
china is hard but brittle,
then that
and
would be
drilling
real.
or applying excessive
And
pressure can crack.
you do run into problems every
should
once in a
also
while. What I
avoid
did was
drilling
I
the seat
drilled 3/8
or
hole,
modifying its hinge
3/8
plate
of an inch
unless the
hole
manufacturer
to
specifically
enlarge
allows
the
it.
hole for the
If the
plastic.
bolt does not pass
So
through the
drop
hinge,
these through right
the hardware
here.
is probably incompatible. The safer solution is to obtain the correct mounting kit rather than altering the seat. For a standard bottom fix installation,
Take the other one.
open the hinge caps and position the
Drop
new
this one
seat in the
through
bowl.
also.
Align the hinge openings with the two
Take
holes
these
in the
nuts
toilet.
with
If the
the
kit includes
cone
rubber
shape
hinge
up,
pads
as that'll fit
or washers,
inside the
place them
recess of
in the
the
positions shown in the instructions.
the
Rubber pads
porcelain
usually
part
sit
of the
between the
toilet.
hinge and the ceramic, helping the seat remain stable while
I'm just
protecting
going
the
to spin it with
surface.
my fingers
Insert both
until
bolts
I
from
can
the
get
top.
it a little
Do
snug.
not tighten the first bolt completely before installing the second
Always with
one.
a toilet, you don't
Go
want
underneath
anything
the bolt
over tightened
and start each
because
nut by hand. Some
it
nuts have a
is
cone-shaped
porcelain
section
and it
points
snaps.
upward
Just think of
and
dropping
ends
your
the recess
dish
around the mounting
on
hole.
a tile floor.
Other
What
designs
happens? And
use a separate washer.
it'd be similar
Check
if you
the
over
shape of the
tightened
hardware
anything on the
rather
bolt.
than assuming
It's
that every
unlikely
nut
that this
is
would
installed in the same direction.
crack because
Turn
it's
each
plastic,
nut
but
several times until it begins to hold
just
the
use
seat,
it as a
but leave
regular
both
gel
sides loose
rule.
enough for adjustment. Lower the seat and lid, then center them on the bowl. Check that the front of the seat follows the shape of the toilet
Just put your
and that the
screwdriver in
overhang
here.
is even on both sides. Once the seat is
And
aligned, hold it in position and tighten the fasteners gradually. Alternate
Just
between the left
snug.
and right sides so the hinges are pulled down evenly. With many plastic
Same with
mounting
this one.
kits, you can hold the nut
Just-
underneath
just
while
so
tightening the
snug.
bolt from above with a screwdriver. Other quick attach
And
systems are designed
reset
so that the
itself
nut
to where
grips the underside of
wants
the
to
bowl
go.
without being held. Tighten the bolts until the seat no longer slides from side to side. They should be snug, not
and
excessively
it grips
tight.
itself.
This
So
is especially important
put the
because the
caps-
toilet is made from ceramic material.
snap the
Over
cap
tightening
down.
can damage the mounting hardware, and in extreme cases, place unnecessary stress on the bowl. Plastic bolts can also strip.
Okay, so
or
what
break
I did when
too
I had
much force
paused
is
was
used.
I
A
took
manual
this
screwdriver
washer out because the
gives you
washer
more
was too
control
thick.
than a drill. If you
on
use a
this,
powered driver
and
for convenience,
I fixed
use
the
its
cap.
lowest torque setting and stop before the hardware becomes fully tight. Complete the final adjustment by hand. After tightening the bolts, raise and lower the seat several times. Sit on it carefully and check whether it shifts.
Sometimes you got to do a little playing around,
hinge
and
caps,
I'm trying to show you
realign the seat,
what happens.
and tighten
I
each
didn't do this
side
before. I
slightly.
didn't practice.
When everything is secure, snap the hinge
These are
covers
some of the
closed.
issues.
Make sure they sit flat
Top
and do not interfere with the
will
movement
snap
of the
in
seat
like that. Now
or
this
lid.
one,
If your
I'll just
toilet
have
has a
to
fully enclosed or skirted design and you cannot reach the underside of the
pull it
mounting
out.
holes, you will probably need top fix anchors. Standard bolts
And
and
try and
nuts
keep these.
may not
I want
work
to try and
because
keep
there is
these
no
things
access for
real
the
life, because these are the
Insert
problems
top
that you're
fix
going to run
bolts
into, and
only as described in the seat instructions.
everybody runs into
Do not
troubles.
push an anchor
not
completely through the
just
hole
you
because it may
or
fall
me.
inside an enclosed toilet body.
Once you do it
and
once or
become
twice,
difficult to
then
retrieve.
you're an
Finally,
expert. But how many
check the
times
fasteners
do
occasionally.
you have to change the
Normal
lid
use
on
can
the
gradually
toilet seat?
loosen the toilet seat, especially when the hinges were not centered or tightened evenly during installation. Replacing a toilet seat is usually straightforward. The key is to choose the correct seat and
See,
mounting
this is still
system.
not sitting right.
Install the washers and fasteners in the right order, align the seat before final tightening, and never use excessive force on the ceramic bowl.
All right. That is it. Seat goes up and it goes down. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.